electric vehicles are the future. Yeah, that's true. And to support the environment, to support the sustainability, BMW is here with something new. Hi guys, and स्वागत है आपका वीडियो में जहाँ पे मेरे साथ है the all new BMW C02, a complete new electric scooter from BMW of course. And doesn't the scooter look so premium and so futuristic? Not just that, जब मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था on the roads, every person was stopping me and asking me which is this scooter, कौन सी brand की scooter है. And when I was telling ना BMW की scooter, they were like shocked. What? BMW looks so futuristic, so premium. And not just that, every person was asking me, being an electric scooter, range कितना देती है, top speed कितना है, and the biggest factor which Indians are concerned are the charging time. ये charging कितने time में लेती है, मतलब कितने time में charge हो जाती है. Not just that, a favorite question was asked was what is the pricing, because every Indian is concerned about the pricing ना, कितना लेती है, कितना पड़ती है, all that stuff. And in this today's video we will be covering the all the terms, features, pricing, looks, power, performance, how is it terms of riding, वो भी cover करने वाले हैं. Pricing क्या है, that's the main factor, वो भी cover करूंगा as usual. So without wasting time, let's get started with this all new BMW C02, a complete new electric scooter from BMW right away. Okay, G. So let's start from the key as usual, because this electric scooter has a key. Yeah, a smart key has been provided, no password system. So smart key has been provided like its siblings, that is the 1300 GS, जिसमें आपको smart key मिलती है ना basically. So similar stuff has been provided. Looks amazing and futuristic. So silver patch, पीछे आपको black patch दिया गया है, rough black patch. Not just that, आगे आपको rubber treatment दिया गया है for better comfort and premiumness. Also, BMW logo has been embroidered on this. Looks amazing and futuristic. Let's keep this in my pocket. Just keep it in my pocket ताकि गाड़ी on हो जाएगी. Let's keep this aside and let's come to this all new BMW C02 electric scooter. So this scooter is a revolutionary scooter and a futuristic look of course. Not just that, BMW ने इसे सोच समझ के बनाया है, and this is for all the riders. इसके लिए special license वगैरह की कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. You can ride this on your normal license. This electric scooter belongs from BMW Motorrad Mumbai, Navneet Motors, and they have given me this scooter. So to review this scooter, of course, for special thanks to them, let's come to the front of this revolutionary scooter. So get this amazing front look with this amazing all LED setup. Projector वाले है. This is for the low beam, this is for the high beam. Looks amazing, futuristic look. Upside down telescopic suspensions, golden color के है. This is the mud flap, which is very much cool and small type ना, काफी अच्छा cute लग रहा है. BMW Motorrad on this to protect the suspensions. Guard has been given. Dual disc brake. This is the 120 किधर गया yeah 120 80 R14 tires of course, and this alloys are the cast aluminum materials के बने हुए हैं. Yes, amazing side look. साइड में नहीं, काफी अच्छी लग रही है, बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज राइडिंग द स्कूटर, जैसे हमने आपको बताया, every person was asking which is this scooter, from which brand is this scooter, कितने की है. Oh my god, the questions they were asking, like they were like insane, and I answered all of them, that's for sure. At the sides, these are the look. This is where the motor is placed. यहाँ पे motor है, यहाँ पे battery है probably. So this is where you can charge this scooter. Yeah, this is the normal 15 amps का चार्जर होता है ना अपना, वो आपको डालना है. Charging time is approx 4.5 hours. Proper footpegs for the rider, hand pillion, of course, side stand is also provided. There is some crash guard sort of thing. Yeah, this is some stuff over here. So kind of good ground clearance है, काफी अच्छा है. Some stuff over here, so आप अपना cloth वगैरह रख सकते हो गाड़ी पहुंचने के लिए. Seat height of 754 mm, looks amazing, and this color treatment ना जो BMW ने सोचा is just futuristic. BMW logo first मैंने अभी देखा, because पूरी बाइक पे आपको BMW लिखा हुआ, मतलब लोगो दिखेगा, but एक्चुअल लोगो कहीं पर भी नहीं दिखेगा. There is one over here which is in black sort of thing. Original BMW logo is over here. So BMW over here written. So इसको बंद कर लेते हैं. I'm not able to close it right now. बाद में बंद करेंगे. Belt drive, not a chain drive. Belt drive के लिए. Oh my god, this is what यार. So this is inspired from the 1300 GS, जिसे single sided shaft कहते हैं basically. So these are the rear stuff. Rear mud guard. This is the side turn indicator, which is in LED. Brake lights, number plate over here. Number plate light also is in LED. That's usual of course. Grab handle to hold on to. And sitting on this bike is just amazing यार. मैं 5.9 फुट का हूँ. अमेजिंग, मेरे लिए काफी अच्छी है, मेरे से ज्यादा ऊंचा आदमी भी बैठ सकता है, इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग एंड कंफर्ट. सो एट द साइड दिस आर द यूजुअल स्टफ जो आपको सेट मिलते हैं. लेट्स सिट ऑन दिस बाइक, ओके, नॉट बाइक, स्कूटर. सो दिस आर द कंसोल्स ऑन द हैंडल बार. Mirrors are the normal regular mirrors जो काफी अच्छे हैं, and similar mirror has been provided in the 310RR if I'm not wrong. So this are the stuff to browse this screen. जिससे पहले हम गाड़ी को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. पहले when I turn on, now this does BMW Motorrad make life a ride, and then it turns on its own sweet time. So 34 kilometers की range दिखा रही है. Side turn indicator is over here. These are the usual stuff. Horn is very much loud. मानना पड़ेगा, horn is really loud. So these are the pass by switch over here and high beam low beam वाले switch. This is the stuff for the reverse जिसे आपको प्रेस करना है, and then only you have to give the throttle, जिसके लिए आपको पहले गाड़ी स्टार्ट करने में दिखाऊंगा बाद में चलाते वक्त. This is engine kill switch. This is the stuff so that आपके जो throttle bars है वो गर्म हो जाए. This are for the heating of the throttle bars. That's amazing, and first time in an electric scooter of course. This is the stuff to start the scooter of course, and उसको बंद भी कर सकते हो. This is the stuff to unlock your seat. Yeah, आपको इसको प्रेस करना है, and this gets open and you can just open this scooter. अभी unlock नहीं हुआ, I just need to press again and ये unlock हो जाएगी. And under the seat, these are the stuff under the seat of course, and some documents, your first aid kit and all that stuff you can just install and just secure inside this seat. So काफी अच्छी है यार सीट बैठने में, literally मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाग काफी अच्छी है. These are the stuff to browse your modes. Flow is the normal, जो eco हम कहते हैं ना normal language में, that is the flow mode. Then there is a surf mode जिसे normal medium कह सकते हैं, and there is one more mode which is flash mode, which is kind of sports mode sort of thing, जिसपे आपको regenerative level is on the highest side. And these are the stuff to mount your phone. हीरोपंती मत करो, हाथ में लेके गाड़ी मत चलाओ फोन को. So proper stuff has been provided from BMW, and you can just remove this. It's so easy and so convenient, and इसे install भी करना काफी easy है. Just you need to turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise. That's the stuff. And yeah, these are the some stuffs over here. So brakes are adjustable. These are the front brakes, of course. Rear brakes over here. Master cylinder for the rear brake. Master cylinder for the front brake. Mirror positioning is just amazing. And these are the stuff at this all new BMW C02 electric scooter. But यार गाड़ी चलाने में कैसी है वो भी तो चेक करना है ना. टॉप स्पीड कितना देती है, रेंज कितना देती है, चार्जिंग टाइम कितना है, चार्जिंग के लिए टाइम कितना लेती है, चलाते वक्त बताऊंगा, पावर कितना है, आउटपुट कितना है, सब कुछ बताऊंगा एज यूजुअल. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गेट राइडिंग विद दिस ऑल न्यू BMW C02 इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर. आज इसका टॉप स्पीड मारूंगा ही मारूंगा, पर किधर मारूं? लेट्स ट्राई for sure. Okay, G, so let's start riding this all new BMW C02, a futuristic electric scooter from BMW stands. Nikal diye, I'll press this switch so that the instrument cluster gets turned on. BMW Motorrad make life a ride, and we will make that surely, that's for sure. And गाड़ी को start कैसे करना है? Press any of the brakes, press this switch, motor will get turned on. It is saying ready and giving the throttle, and off we go. चलो चलते हैं. Okay, so initial pickup is just amazing. पहले ही बोल देता हूँ मैं. And I just browse the modes. I am in the flow mode, flow, surf and flash mode. आपको तीन modes मिल जाते हैं basically. Flow is the eco mode, जिसे आप रेंज के लिए, मतलब रेंज अगर आपको चाहिए, रेंज के लिए आप एकदम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, दैन दी फ्लो मोड. सर्फ इज द नॉर्मल मोड, मतलब so it's a mixture of both the modes, top mode and the base वाला mode. Eco का eco and the sports mode का mixture है is the normal mode, and there is one more mode which is the flash mode, जिसे हम sports mode कहते हैं in normal language. So I'm right now riding in the flow mode, which is the eco mode in BMW language. So BMW uses this terminology to specify its modes. Let's come to this C02 electric scooter. Produces a power of 11 kilowatt of power and a torque of 55 newton meters of torque. There is an axis wala who is following me. Attention to detailing in this scooter. The attention that this electric scooter grabs now is just amazing. And let's come to the battery which is powering this electric scooter. A battery of 3.92 kilowatt of battery. And okay, we'll take a left over here. Okay, 3.92 kilowatt hour battery pack. एक बार आपने चार्ज की ना, इट विल गो 108 किलोमीटर ऑन अ सिंगल चार्ज. दैट विल डिपेंड हाउ द रोड कंडीशंस आर, हाउ यू आर राइडिंग, विच मोड यू आर राइडिंग. बट जो इको मोड जिसे हम फ्लो मोड जिसे हम कहते हैं, क्या फ्लो मोड ही है या फ्लो मोड जिसे हम कहते हैं ना, ऑन दैट 108 किलोमीटर क्लेम्ड रेंज है, ARAI की क्लेम रेंज है. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, चार्जिंग में टाइम कितना लेती है, दैट्स द मेन स्टफ ना. हर इंडियन को सवाल होता है. चार्जिंग टाइम इज 4 आवर्स अप्रॉक्स, क्योंकि जब आप 0 से 100 मतलब 0 to 100 चार्जिंग के लिए इट विल टेक अराउंड 4 आवर्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली. Top speed company has claimed is 95 kilometers per hour, but I can't check right now because I'm in gully gully areas. So काफी सारे narrow roads है. I need to take a left, I need to take a right. So वो चक्कर है. Comfort है यार. Sitting is amazing. Sitting is way amazing because my legs are properly see. मेरे पैर ना आराम से नीचे है and this instrument cluster shows a lot of stuff. आप इसको ब्राउज कर सकते हो. ट्रिप ए, ट्रिप बी, प्योर राइडिंग. देन आप इसको और भी स्टफ. यू कैन जस्ट कस्टमाइज दिस स्क्रीन. आपको जस्ट स्पीड चाहिए तो आप वो कंसोल रख सकते हो. A lot of ways where you can just customize this screen. Also, handle positioning is just amazing. Sitting is way amazing यार. अभी तो मैं फिलहाल अकेला बैठ रहा हूँ. I can just go up. I can just do off-roading also. So this was the location where I had this thing shooted the bike walk around जहाँ पर किया था मैंने. And okay कोई नहीं है and we'll just speed up the bike at slow mode ना. जो अपना इको वाला मोड है ना, it will go around 50 की 50 नहीं 60 क्रॉस कर लेती है at slow mode, जिसे मैं इको मोड कहता हूँ. That's amazing in this electric scooter of course. And braking कितना है वो चेक कर लेते हैं. उससे पहले 0 to 50 in just 3 seconds यार. 3 seconds and we'll check the braking. I'll come at around 50 की. Okay. Oh, that skirting from the rear tires was just amazing. So braking is very amazing यार. Dual disc brake से दिया गया है ना. That's the stuff. And okay, I'm smelling something. Anyways, so let's go. Yeah, riding is amazing. Handling is amazing. 140 की वेट है. 140 किलो kg is the weight. Although यार वो फील नहीं होता यार. It seems like you are riding an हल्का फुल्का इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर. मोटर पे मैं बैठा हूँ फिलहाल. This seat is way amazingly designed. Futuristic design है of course. And yeah, handling is amazing. Ride is amazing. The features it is offering is just amazing. ABS is only provided at the front. Front में ही ABS है. Dual channel ABS नहीं है. सिर्फ आगे दिया गया है ABS. Rear doesn't have any ABS sort of thing. And मेरा ब्रेक ना आपने सुना होगा थोड़ा बहुत. मुझे थोड़ा स्मेल आया था टायर का. That's the stuff. This console is attracting me. काफी अच्छा कंसोल है. अभी मैंने इसको चेंज किया है. So it's just showing the speed and बैटरी का जो सिग्नल दिखा रहा है. Yeah, handling is amazing, riding is amazing, performance is just mind blowing. So this was the complete riding part and the walk around of the all new BMW C02 electric scooter. If you like this, do channel to subscribe and follow me Instagram and also channel में daily update. So मिलते हैं यार एक और वीडियो से. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.